Hello everyone, how are you doing today? I'm here with another video based on the requests I've been getting a lot based on people seeing me using a soldering iron and picking up solder and the solder sticks to the solder iron tip. And let's say if you're holding a component and you're trying to solder at the same time and you don't have an extra hand to bring the solder to the where you want it solder, so you can simply just grab it on the solder tip. If your solder tip is really dirty and is not picking up the solder on top, it can't hold it. It's a simple solution. All you need to do is to grab a solder paste, grab like enough amount, and put it on a container. It can be a ceramic or any type. Put it in the middle. Try to put it in the middle. It's kind of hard. So I'm gonna put enough because what this and the flux it does, the flux is gonna prevent the oxygen getting into the mix, so it's not going to oxidize on the tip. And what you want to do, you want to grab a little bit of the solder right here from the, just grab, come on, this is a lot, but just make a ball, a solder ball like that, and then dump it right in there. And then you want to grab a cutter or anything with the sharp edges. As you can see, this one has a solder right on top. What you want to do, you see how this one is black, it can't hold any solder on top. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to push it right inside this solder, inside the mix. And while I'm inside the mix and it's melting all that, and I'm going to use my other hand, I'm going to start scrubbing on the tip of the, you see? I'm just scrubbing it. Let me see if you guys can see it. Just scrub, remove this blackness on the top, and it's going to help the solder get stuck on the tip of the solder iron. Okay, obviously you want to do a little bit, and you want to make sure is enough flux in there to prevent it. So I'm holding it there for a second, and now look at the difference. Now you can see the tip of my solder iron is nicely has a little bit of solder on the top. Now it's easier for me to just go ahead and grab solder from here without dropping any on the floor. It has enough. So if I just shake it off, it's just gonna fall off. So I can just go back and forward, grab it from here and take it to the workplace where I'm just soldering, holding it with the other hand, so I don't have to bring this one in. Because let's say if you're using some kind of let's say if you're holding a component and you just want to bring the solder, just grab it and bring it and solder. So that's how you can clean the tip of the solder iron. You may have to make sure it's really hot, is at maximum temperature before you do this. And you need this mix always to clean it inside the mix. And the flux is very important. It's not going to pick up this huge blob of the solder because it's heavy. But actually it cleans up nicely right there. You can use the fiber they give you all that, but that's not gonna be effective as this one. Okay, I hope you guys like this video. If you liked it and helped you guys out, please click that like button. And if you have any questions or requests, leave them in the comment area and I'll try to answer them. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.